Before use, we should fill up the engine oil first. Take out the dipstick. Then install the funnel. Then fill it with our own oil. Use this dipstick to check the oil level. This oil is at the highest and lowest point. This is the highest position of suitable oil. Now there is oil on it, which is enough to explain. Then tighten. Add steam oil and then use the oil pot. Add it to the fuel tank. The amount of fuel can be increased or decreased according to your own usage. It depends on the area you want to mow and the use time. Okay, after filling the oil, tighten the oil tank cap again. After the fuel tank cap is tightened, it will make a click. This will tighten it. Check that the blade screws are tight. The grass needs to be collected when cutting. Then let's put it in a straw basket. Then put down the rear door cover, which is the function of collecting grass. If there is no need to collect grass, we will install the side row cover. Only one of these two functions can be used, not both. Next is the process of starting and stopping the engine. The first step is to pull up the pull rope of the pull plate. Put it in the drawstring hook. Step R. Press the purulent stick once and press it 5 times. The third step is to press the engine start lever. Don't let go, then pull the pull rope of the starting pull plate. Then loosen the lever and the engine will stop. If it doesn't stop, it means there is a problem with the engine. Grasp the drive control lever and move forward.